Hello. Working on my 96 Dodge Dakota. It's got the, I had a leak in the gas tank, which is right there. And it turns out it's the rollover valve. So it's this thing. Oh, right here, and that goes into the fuel pump, which is back there. Let me see if I can get some light on this subject. Well, maybe not. Anyway, so I'm trying to figure out a little something I can put into this puka right here. And I was going to use a WD-40 nozzle. I thought it would work, and then my friend pointed out, hey, what about the little hose inside a lighter? So let's see what we got here. Over here. Over here. There we go. Wow, that's hardly any flow. That is hardly any flow. I don't even know if that's, I don't even know if that has a puka in it. This is from a lighter. Boy, that does not look like it has a puka in it. This might not be a good idea. Is there a hole in there or what? I can't tell. Let's see, okay, pull this. What I was gonna do is put this. Let's see this. What's up, Puppy Kitty? Well, it fits in there. Sure does fit. But, I don't know. It fits in. And then it goes into the other end. But I'll get back to you on this one. Peace out. Or something like that. I knew it was too good to be.